Hey, what's going on, guys? It's 4K coming back at you with another video. This video has to do with Dodge's upcoming e-muscle car, their electric car. It looks like this thing's about to get unveiled pretty soon here. It looks like it's getting unveiled next month in August in Detroit, and supposedly it's going to make a big splash. It's going to be a big deal. But I got to be honest, and I really hope I'm wrong about this, but I really do believe that this thing is going to be a flop. I think that most of the people that are interested in muscle cars and that are interested in these type of cars with these big motors making all kinds of noise, burning up rubber, tearing up the streets, they like internal combustion engines. They like to hear the car, the rumble, the whole experience, the smell, especially with race gas and things like that. There's a soundtrack to the performance car, to the muscle car. And I think that when you take that away, it's going to be a very tough sell. Now, apparently, they're unveiling like 3 specific units. One of these is supposed to be possibly hybrid powered, which is going to be something that they're kind of doing presently, and then there's full electric, looking towards the future. But I mean, they got 2 things going against you. One, the market, the people that want these vehicles, they like internal combustion engines, number one. And everybody that I talk to, they're not really keen on electric cars, and they really hate them. They feel like they're just microwaves on wheels. So there's that. And the second thing, where Tesla's got the market cornered, is the infrastructure. Number 2. Number 3, the country doesn't even have full infrastructure for everybody to be driving around electric cars anyway. So, I mean, where this is going to go to at a certain point, I really don't know. But if you're in the market for an electric car that rips, like, you could just get a performance Tesla. And not only are you going to have an electric car that rips, you're not going to be paying gas and, eco-friendly and all that, but you could take it from Philadelphia, New York to Florida. No big deal. There's superchargers all along the way. And you're not really going to have that with this Dodge e-muscle car. And I think this is the reason why these other electric cars that are great, they struggle in comparison to Tesla, which is one of the only companies automotive-wise that's actually growing right now. And but they have the infrastructure. They have the supercharger network. They've been doing it for years now. So if I'm in the market for an electric car, why the hell would I go to Dodge, who is a company that's kind of turned their cheek to it, thumbed their nose at it for so long, but now that they've been getting taxed so long for having these big high horsepower cars that they have no other choice, and with the government and everything that they're forcing down on us, they have no other choice but to go electric. But Tesla's been doing this for a decade and a half now. So why, if I'm in the market for an electric car, why the hell would I take a Dodge? And that's where I really want to bring it to you guys. I want to bring it to the people. I mean, are you guys really even interested in this thing? I think that everybody's going to be interested to see what it looks like, see what they're going to do with an e-muscle car. I mean, I'm pretty sure there's going to be some type of hybrid variant out there, and I don't believe that the actual 5.7 Hemi is going to die. I believe that the next gen cars are going to have some type of V8 power. It's just not going to be a Hellcat. Maybe not even the 6.4, but I think the 5.7 may live on. But what do you guys think? I mean, if you're going to go electric, are you going to go with a vehicle that you can't go to a Tesla supercharger where they're all over the place, where you're gonna have to look on the map and try to find one of these little, these little side station recharging? I don't know. I just think that that's a tough sell, and I don't think that it's going to be that big of a hit. I hope I'm wrong. I just think if you want something performance variant that's going to cost you, it's a big halo car. The Tesla has a Plaid in the Model S and the Model X, and they got performance variants of the 3 and the Y. I just feel like that there's going to be better alternatives out there. But what say you? What do you guys think? Dump down in the comment box. Let me know. I hope I got egg on my face. I love Dodge. I love the product. I love the cars. I love all of it. But at the same time, when it comes to electric, why would I go with a company that has not put their resources into electric? They're just doing it now. They're a little late to the table, a little late to the party here. So I just think that Tesla's got everybody beat with the infrastructure of the charging system and the charging network, and I think that's what makes them the best. So dump down in the comment box. Let me know what you guys think. I'll catch you guys on the next one.